Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the NZXT H510. It's the non-eye or elite version, and we have the matte white. So, really excited. Let's go check it out. Swiss Army knife, by the way. Oh yeah. I'll need to toss this down. It's pretty light for an ATX case. Okay. I have my LEDs, that's why there's so many colors, by the way. And let's flip it over. Okay. Of course, I'm not going to be building on the ground, so just to let you know. Or, whoops, it's on its feet, actually. Alright. Very high quality. Looks like the case got stuck in some plastic, but yeah, here it is. It's just going to be unboxing the thing. I believe there's going to be the accessories inside, right in here, and I'll probably show a picture of what I got in the box, just to let you guys know what's in it. And yeah, it's a really nice case. Tempered glass, really minimalistic look. I think that'll be it. Take care, everyone.